Hey guys, so I've been meaning to make this video since a very long time now, and delaying such a kind of a video is actually not good. But here it is, here I am talking about the first time I got my hair colored. Also, I'm trying my best to show y'all the red, but the light is just not cooperating with me right now. But I've got these strands of hair over here that are colored red, and the thing about this color is it does not show directly instantly. Sometimes, like if you're closer to me, then y'all can see it directly, but if y'all are far, then y'all will be able to see it only when the light reflects on it. So that is what is happening right now. I will insert clips somewhere around this time showing the color, but yeah, and if it's not possible, then I'll just insert a picture where it's perfectly visible. So let's get started with the process, and I will tell you all how and what. My phone. So I have the Contrast Intense Red Violet Extra by Schwarzkopf on my hair. Now the name is really long, but the shade is C.67X. So this was the first time that I was getting my hair colored, right? And I'm not someone who really likes to pre-lighten or bleach my hair. I didn't go for that. Instead, I just went with a direct color without any pre-lightening. So it's this color that is directly on my hair without any bleach. So once this fades out, it's gonna turn into a little copperish brown and not into like a blonde, which I'm very happy about. Now, as some of y'all know, if you're following me on my social media, that I am studying hairstyling. So I got this done where I study at my institute salon. So my friend who studies along with me is doing my hair over here. We just did the last section of my hair from the nape of my neck. So I took like about, I don't know, height wise it was I think 2 inches of hair, and we got a section in the V form. Alright, and what we did was, I didn't want like a direct transition, like I didn't want like my hair is black and then suddenly it's red. So to avoid that, we created a little shade, and the start quarter of my hair we colored it red along with 20 volume of peroxide. That's the developer which allows the black color to come out and then penetrate the red color. So the first quarter we did it with 20 volume, the next quarter we did it with 30 volume, and the last half of my hair we colored it with 40 volume. So what this enables is it creates like a shade. So 20 is a little milder, you can see a lot of black, that's at the beginning. Then 30 will be a little darker, you can start seeing the red, and then 40 is where it's full-fledged red. And now if you all can see, it's been I think about half a month since I got my hair colored, and it's starting to slowly fade off. Of course I can see it still, the red is still there, but I can also see a copper tinge coming up. So yeah, and I really like this actually. I'm planning to get a few more chunks on my hair. Hopefully that happens. And yeah, so we washed my hair first. We didn't condition it, it was just shampooed. Once it's dried, then we started the application. We started with 20, then the same color we added a little more developer, we did 30, then with more developer we did 40, then we covered it with the foil and we kept it. Now my hair is really black, right? So it takes a little while for my hair to take up the red. So we kept it for about the ideal time is 45 minutes, but it was taking long, so I think it was there for an hour and a half. Once we thought that now the color has completely come up on my hair, we just washed it and we dried it, and I have my color. I was very happy with my hair color. So yeah, I am happy that I'm a hairstylist, and I am happy that I got my hair colored for the first time, and I'm looking forward to color it many more times. Yeah, so just an update, I am taking customers professionally now. I have started my clients and everything, and I'm really loving this field of profession. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you all did. If you all have any queries about hair color, haircuts, whatever it is, leave it in the comment section below. I will make sure I answer all of them. And yeah, give it a thumbs up, it means a lot to me. And subscribe if you all haven't already. I upload new videos every week, and let me know if you all want any hair related videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.